Hi everybody, and good afternoon. We're back on our field again. It's a Sunday. We've had our dinner. It's about 3:30, 4:45, time something around that. Fat's come back again. It's too good not to. We couldn't wait a week like we do. So Fat's come back. He's got a couple of buckles and a couple of whatever, can't think, buttons. But I've just got myself this thing. It's quite nice. It's got a nice interesting pattern each side, weird thing in the middle, nothing on the back. Don't know what it is. Interesting anyway. Cool, right, first find. Let's carry on before we have to get back for tea. Brilliant. Well then, moved on from down there to here, pretty much in the middle of the field. And out of there, got a nice old button. If you can see that. Don't know what it is. Well, I do know what it is, it's a button, but I don't know what it is on the button. It's like a type of horse type thing with a tail, which has turned into a unicorn and grown wings. No idea. Nice button though. Oh, and also, I think I might as well tell you now, there's a couple of comments on my videos I haven't replied to, and I'll just quickly give you an update of them now. In 14-acre stubble field, I think someone asked if I've got any word on what this coin is here. I'll just put a picture on right now. There you go, there's the picture. Okay, it's gone. Yeah, that coin, no idea what that is. Another thing is someone's asked, how was the gold ring we got? This one, another picture, loads of pictures. That ring that you just saw. It was good, apart from I showed it my mum and she dropped it, and it broke into about 8 pieces, and we had to stick it all together. I'll get a picture up for you now if we've got one. Yeah, I think we should get a picture. Yeah. Yep, so I'm not sure if there's any other comments. Oh, as well, the little lead figure I got yesterday on this field. No idea what it is. Thanks for the comment, whoever put it, saying it was one of those figurines. Sorry, I've totally forgot what you said. Yeah, it might be one of those. No idea. Right, anyway, enough talking, on to the next find. See you later. Right then, next signal, right here. It was a silver signal, like beeping silver about 3 times, then jumping down to iron, and then coming back up again. Surprised of that. Button. Not surprised it's a button though. Don't know why there's so many buttons on this field. Maybe people had a button throwing war where they just chucked buttons at each other. It's the only explanation I can think of anyway. There you go, blank button. Yeah. I want to find a gold one. Come on, where's the gold on this field? Gotta be somewhere. Somewhere. Right, let's find it. Wow. Wow, that's impressive. This hole here, banging signal, best I've ever had on this field so far. Look what I've got. Wow. Now that is a good find. It's a bird stood on a whatever. You can just work out its face. If I can let the camera focus. Look at that. Wow. That is impressive. That is a lovely find. Wow. I've got nothing else to say really. Just wow. I've got a bird sat on a thing. Brilliant. Maybe it's a tiny buckle. Might be. I don't know. Brilliant. Look at that. What a find. Cool. Anyway, carrying on. See if the camera can pick that up. It's gone very foggy. I could see all the scenery around before. I can't see anything. Can work out a couple of trees in the distance. See birds flying. Anyway, I'm going off topic again. Just here, banging signal, not moving. Got this. Wheel. I'm gone. No, not a wheel, because it's tilted. It's not flat. Well, it might be though. Probably is actually. Yeah, wheel. Cool. Interesting find. Well, do you think this is worth digging? Where is it? There. A bit of wire there. Just jammed in. Don't know what it's made of. Don't know. Jammed in, I think it's on something bigger. Who cares? I'll dig it. Right, get back with you once I've dug it. Wow, I've just sort of looked over there and I really realised that. Look at those walls for those two fields, how they dip down. Sort of a valley running through there. And it must carry on up onto our field. Somewhere. Anyway, there's the wire. Don't know why I bothered digging it. I knew it wasn't anything. Yeah, got a nice spinny bit on it. It's fun for doing that with. Oh, yeah, got a bit of wire. Oh, look at him. Get him on the head with it. Oh, what am I doing? I'm going mental. Alright, anyway, carry on. Well, oops. Lens cover's closed. On the surface, just got myself this thing. There we go. No idea what it is. It's quite nice though. Little tea. Probably a part of something. Oof, look at my dirty fingernail. Ugh. Anyway, there you go. A tea. Brilliant. Right, carry on. It's getting foggy and horrid and... Ugh. I don't know. Right, we had a toenail last time. Now let's get here. What we got now?
Oh, what's we got now? We had a toenail, yeah, last time. You've got a skull there, Tom, I think.
Very tiny one.
God, it's got big eyeballs.
I know.
I wonder if it's probably an alien, you know. It might be the same alien that made that phlegm and it's died.
What old alien phlegm? I know,
No, it's got big eyeballs.
Massive eyes, tiny head, and spine must have come out the back of its head.
Yeah. Oh, look at its teeth, like them.
I know, there's two things at the front.
It's got fangs.
Ooh.
Don't know. She's worth keeping though. Put that on your side piece, Tom.
Cool. What is going on?
God, look at that.
Look at that.
It'll go with your toenail, that.
Yeah, I've got a toenail and a head. Brilliant. Got a bigger piece in a weird shape together. Cool. You see all those birds? Look at them all. They're in the fog, you can't see them, there's millions of them. Wow. Alright, I think we're done for today. Are we done for today then?
Still starting back.
Yeah, starting back then. Right, so from the cloudy, stubble field, I'll see you next time. See you later.